Hey, Matt Williams here with Focus on the 615. Right now, we are backstage at the CMA Awards, which is taking place tomorrow in the Bridgestone Arena in Nashville. And we are currently sitting in the Martin Guitar Artist Welcome Lounge. Now, this is the first time Martin has sponsored this, and it's just this really cool chic area, as you can see, surrounded by Martin guitars. And this is an area where the artists will come in from the red carpet, which ends right over there, and they can come in and play and hang out with each other, and there will be impromptu jam sessions, and there will be artists such as Dierks Bentley, Hunter Hayes, Brad Paisley, all Martin guitar ambassadors that will be back here, and they can play all of these signature guitars that you see here. All right, hey everybody, now we are here with Steve from Martin Guitar. Right. How are you, my friend?
Nice to see you. Thanks for having me here.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit about this. I mean, we know it's the artist lounge, and they can come back here and just kind of jam and play, but tell us a little bit, you know, how Martin got involved in this and what their role is today.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you know, this is the first time that we've ever been here at the CMAs and have this artist lounge, and we just wanted to be a little bit more involved with you know, Nashville in general, and we're just really happy to be here. We earlier this year at the NAMM show, our CEO had a nice big dinner where he met the mayor of Nashville, and just, you know, we just kind of want to be a little bit more involved than we've been in the last few years, and we just you know, basically what we're doing here is we brought in a bunch of guitars for any of the artists to come in and try out and play, and just you know, a lot of guys already know, you know, Martin guitars in general, but we do have some new stuff that maybe not as many people know about. We have a new performing artist series, which is you know, this guitar right here. It's a little bit newer body shape for us.
Gotcha.
Just a little bit different styling, and, you know, a little bit more of a modern aesthetic, I guess, you know. So we've got kind of our great vintage looking stuff, and then we got kind of, you know, a more modern type of or, you know, modern aesthetic.
Right.
So,
yeah. I mean, these are there's so many, and there's a lot more that you can't see on camera. There's just guitars all around. But
piling them up.
Yeah, exactly. And what artists are currently Martin ambassadors? To name a few, I'm sure a lot of them, if not most of them, play a Martin guitar.
Yeah, sure. Well, I guess Dierks Bentley was here yesterday.
Sure.
And he, you know, stopped in and played a bunch of guitars here with us. And another Martin ambassador that's here and nominated for Best New Artist is Hunter Hayes.
Hunter Hayes, love him.
Yes. Yeah, and he's you know, he's been with us, you know, for quite a while now, so we're really excited.
Well, not that long, because he's only like 20 or something.
Who's counting, man? Come on.
Right. I mean, it really is a neat little thing that you're doing. Are you catching the show?
I really hope I'm going to. I'm planning on it, but, you know, if it gets really busy over here, then maybe we'll just be hanging out here too, which wouldn't be a terrible thing.
There are worse things.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. I mean, this is, as we said, this is just a really neat thing you were doing, and thanks for having us back here, and thanks for sticking around Nashville.
Yeah, really appreciate it. All right.
This is Steve from Martin Guitars, and we are back here behind the scenes at CMA Awards. So stay tuned for more coverage from Focus on the 615.